Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be doing another hair tea. We're using fenugreek and this neem powder. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. I'll be dropping the benefits of these two ingredients on the screen. So we need a clean jar just like so, and I am going to be adding my ingredient inside here. Okay, so I'm using 1 teaspoon, that is 5 ml of each of these recipe. You can either allow this to sit in the bottle for like 8 to 12 hours, or you can either boil it. So I'm going to be boiling it. Okay, so I just want to show you guys how the measurements of everything is in the bottle, and the level of water I'll be using too as well. So this is the ingredients we have. Okay, so I added 2 teaspoons of fenugreek and 1 teaspoon of neem powder. Okay, and this is like a hot water. All right, so this is the measurement of the water I'm going to be using. I decided to pour it in my pot because I needed to use it immediately, so I cannot wait for like 8 hours because I just washed my hair and I needed to moisturize my hair and do the rest of my hair routine because I was stepping out. So I had to boil it, and I boiled this thing for like 5 to 10 minutes and it was ready. So I'm going to strain it. This is me straining it. I use a cheesecloth and a sieve. Why did I use a cheesecloth and a sieve? Because of the neem powder. The neem powder is powder form, you understand? So I don't want the powder form to be on my tea, so I'm just going to sieve it. I double sieve this recipe. I'm done saving it. I'm going to transfer this in my spray bottle, and I'll show you guys how I'm going to apply this on my hair. If you've watched this extent, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and comment. This is a very potent hair growth tea, and you really need to try it. So guys, I decided to split this my tea into two. This one has the MSM and this one does not have the MSM. So I'm using this one on a daily basis. This one I'm using it 3 times in a week. So this two is like a 1 week batch. Yeah, so I'm gonna spray this first on my hair. I am done for today. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry, I'm in the toilet giving my outro. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, like, share, and comment. So I'm gonna be using this for 1 week, and maybe at the ending of this video I'll show you guys what my result looks like, or I'll just keep it, and maybe in my next video I'll show you guys what this tea did to my hair after 1 week. So I'll catch you guys in my next one. All right, bye guys.